The Global Amnesty Watch, upon the scrutiny of the report of the researchers, hereby states that my territory is not under the control of Boko Haram ISWAP terrorists. Rather, the most significant part of the Northeast is gradually returning to normalcy. The Global Amnesty Watch also notes that though there are relative peace in this area, a lot still needs to be done, mainly by the newly established Northeast Development Commission. The Northeast Development Commission must, as a matter of urgency, hit the ground running to complement the efforts of other critical stakeholders in rebuilding and resettlement of internally displaced persons in the Northeast region. The activities of international non-governmental organizations, as well as the local non-governmental organizations operating in the region, must reflect the commitment to helping the IDPs relocate back home, especially in the liberated communities. They must also assist the people with means of livelihood, such as farming, fishing, and other trades that will make life meaningful to them. It is also vital that the Nigerian police is also involved in the clearance operation in a bid to ensure that other criminal elements do not arise in the name of Boko Haram. The Global Amnesty Watch, owing from the situation on ground in Northeast Nigeria, commends the efforts of the Nigerian military for their sustained efforts to ensure that the region continues to enjoy the return of peace. The Global Amnesty Watch also allowed the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari for the show of commitment in ending the Boko Haram crisis in Northeast Nigeria. And also worthy of note is the rescue of 17,500 children and women from Boko Haram captivity in Northeast Nigeria. So this is a situation report by the Special Rapporteur after a systematic tour of selected local governments in the Northeast, namely Damboa, Goza, Potiskum, Chibok, and Madigali, carried out and released on this Wednesday, 9th of October 2019. The Global Amnesty Watch, in line with its mandate to serve as that watchdog of human rights compliance by government and organizations around the world in a bid to ascertain the situation of things in Northeast Nigeria, undertook a systematic tour of selected locations in the northeast of Nigeria. The tour availed the Global Amnesty Watch Special Rapporteur a first-hand knowledge of the condition of things, as well as the role of the government in bringing to an end the crisis in the Northeast region. Introduction. In the light of the news making the rounds on the occupation of Nigerian territories by the Boko Haram ISWAP terrorist group, the Global Amnesty Watch commissioned a team of selected researchers to undertake a systematic tour of select communities in the Northeast Nigeria with a mandate to highlight the situation of things and also to ascertain if and whether any Nigerian territory is under the occupation of Boko Haram and ISWAP. These researchers relied on information making the round on areas that are under the Boko Haram ISWAP occupation to draw the list of communities to be visited. Consequently, Damboa, Goza, Potiskum, Chibok, and Madigali were identified as areas to be visited to put a rest to the various speculations making the round and also to put the issue in proper perspective to members of the unsuspecting public.